Today we have a 2010 Lexus LS460L. We'll be replacing the front lower ball joints. So let's get to it. So first thing we're going to do with the 21mm socket and our impact gun, remove the wheel with our wheel lock in place as well. So let's get this out of the way. Now we're going to start removing the ball joint. First thing we're going to do is going to remove all these cotter pins from this control arm here and then this control arm here. And with the number 19, we're going to remove these nuts here. I've already got this one off. That one right there, I'm gonna have to use it's like a wrench to remove, so I'm gonna get that 19 out. Also, I'm gonna strike the side of here with a hammer to release this from here. And then once we get all this removed, we're gonna take a number 17 and remove 3 bolts, 1 here and 2 back here, which will then free up the ball joint to get replaced. So now I have the ball joint removed, I can go ahead and replace it. Just an FYI, when taking the joint off from that control arm right here, this one right here, it does get stuck. I had to use a ball joint tool with a air hammer to get it off, but after some time I got it off, beating it basically. So now we'll go ahead and replace it. Got my new ball joint in place here. Pretty much just went back in the same way we went out. 17mm bolts on these 3 here. I put those in first, and then using a T-bar, I raised up the rotor here, the spindle here, and got these lower control arms in. Once I did that, just tightened everything back down with the impact gun, put the cotter pins in place, and that's it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come.